I will start by toasting 5 slices of white bread at 360 for 5 to 7 minutes or until golden brown. I will chop a 1/4 cup of parsley. I will keep just the leaves and I will discard the stems because usually they are the hardest part. I am shredding 1/2 cup of pecorino Romano cheese. Pecorino, it's a salty cheese and the aging gives him a very intense flavor. So in this recipe, we don't need to add any additional salt. Now I had 1/2 cup of Parmigiano Reggiano. Parmigiano has a less intense flavor compared Pecorino Romano, but both of them work great in this recipe, kind of complementing each other, because one is made with cow's milk and the other one is made with the sheep. This is why the name of Pecorino. After adding the chopped parsley, I shred 2 garlic cloves. After the bread is out of the oven, I'm gonna let it completely cool down and then I chop it in small pieces. After I am done chopping, I will put the bread in a blender and I will reduce it to a powder. I add the crumbs to the rest of the ingredients and then I will mix them all together. This fragrant breading composition will give a ton of additional flavor to all your fried and deep fried dishes. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.